Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kisha if you guys are new here. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys a bunch of different hairstyles that I like to do with bangs. I recently cut my bangs, as you can see. I just thought it'd be a good video to show you guys how I style my bangs, different hairstyles you can do with bangs. I know I was a little confused when I first cut my bangs, like how do I style my hair now? But now that I've kind of gotten used to them, I figured I'd show you guys just different hairstyles that I like to do with bangs. Before we get started, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video, and like this video, especially if this is something that you guys enjoy watching. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It is Kisha Alejandra. I have it right here for you guys to see. Also, if you haven't checked out my last video, it is a Selena Quintanilla DIY costume video. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I dressed up as her for Halloween this year, then I will leave the link up here or down below if you guys are interested. It's one that I was like super happy to do. I did show a hairstyle that you can do with bangs, so if you guys are interested in seeing that, then the video will be linked down below or up top here. Anyways, let's just get started. So first I'm going to tell you how I generally style my bangs. So after the shower, I usually put my hair in a roller like this. They kind of look like this afterwards. So it's nice and, you know, volumized, nice and fluffy. I actually purchased these at the dollar store if you're interested. If I was in like a rush, I actually style it with a blow dryer. Now with the blow dryer, it's a little bit of a process. I have a cowlick. If you know what that is, it's basically when the hair curves in a unnatural way. Instead of this side being, you know, my hair goes straight down, this side grows backwards, which is why I use the roller. So I will actually take all the hair that's kind of in the cowlick region. What I would do is put the blow dryer on, push it forward, and move the hair backwards. So I'm tightening the hair as I am pulling the brush forward. And I will do that like a few times and it will make it fall in a nicer flow. So I usually go in with a 1-inch curler, and I will take that, fold my hair, let it heat up a little, and then release. It will curl the ends of the hair that I've kind of like straightened out, and they will fall like nice and natural. The first hairstyle that I'm gonna do is just this 4 braid hairstyle. So I'm gonna grab some pieces here. Now I have dark hair, so it's gonna kind of be hard for you guys to see the hairstyles that I do. Just sectioning off 3 pieces of this long strand and just start braiding. Now there's tutorials on braiding, I'm sure. I would definitely check out those videos that are on YouTube if you guys don't know how to braid. I take a while to braid, so I will probably speed this up for you guys. So this is the hair. I think this is super cute. That's what I did. You can actually use colorful elastics, which would be really cute if you have darker hair like me and you kind of want it to show a little bit more. Hopefully you guys can see it properly. Okay, so just working off of the same kind of hair pieces, I'm actually going to leave that out because we're gonna go into the next hairstyle. We're gonna leave those pieces out. This kind of gives me 90s vibes, I would say. I just really like this. So I'm gonna do half up, half down. So just a hair elastic. This is the next hairstyle. I just think braids are so cute to wear. They're so easy. I mean, they do take time if you don't know how to braid. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this hair look. I really like it. Now, just getting rid of that. I mean, you can tie your hair all up if you wanted, so it's kind of the same little hairstyle, but I don't think I need to do that because you guys kind of get the gist. Okay, so I took the braids out and they actually created like a cute little crimp in the hair, which I'm not mad at. So I'm gonna just show you what this hair looks like if you were just to clip it. Some cute little clips on each side and just a little vibe. I like it. It's nice and simple, but it kind of looks like you did something, and then the little crimps in the hair kind of give it some extra texture, so it kind of changes the hair a little bit. Overall, I think this hairstyle is super effortless, very trendy, and yeah, it's a way to utilize your hair clips. I mean, you can still wear hair clips while you have bangs. Okay, so the next hairstyle that I'm gonna do, for this hairstyle, I'm gonna part my hair in the middle. So just like that, I'm gonna do my cute little pigtails. Now I think this hairstyle is so cute and easy. If I was trying to be very picky and I was actually wearing this hairstyle today, I would grab some hair pieces, maybe just a little string of hair right here, and wrap the hair around the elastic there so it looks like my hair, you know? But how cute is that? And then I could gel some hair down here so that it looks nice and clean. And then just to clean the hair up, this is the Sports Gel by Dippity Doo. I'll just use a comb and just kind of wave down my baby hairs just to clean up the look a little bit. Just my sides cleaned up nicely, and then I'll just gel the rest of the hair, but I'm not gonna do that right now. This is definitely like a vibe that I would go for. It's easy, it's trendy. I know some of you guys aren't fans of pigtails, but I just think they're so cute and I'm loving it. So let me just fast forward it because we're going on to the next hairstyle and it's kind of similar. I just am gonna style it a little bit different. And this is the next hairstyle. I have some bangs that kind of got caught in it because I don't like to use all the bangs that I cut because I cut too many bangs. So I actually tie those ones away. But what I like to do with the bangs that kind of get in that hair tie and then kind of stick out, I will just use some gel and I will just push them down and mold them with my hair. And then I'll sometimes go in with some hairspray afterwards. This is basically another cute hairstyle. I would definitely curl out my hair. So let me just grab my straightener, and I really want to do it because I want to show you guys the full effect. I also have these really cute hair clips that I purchased from the dollar store, and they're just these little fuzzies. Purple's cute, but hot pink is just a whole nother vibe. And you can even cover them if you wanted to put your hair, clip them under it. That just takes a little bit more effort. I just love to accessorize my hair a lot. I personally like these hairstyles. I just think they're fun. These little furry pom-poms are just so cute and elevate the look to just be so trendy. I love the color of them. I did get the purple ones as well, which I was about to put in my hair. I'll just show you guys what they look like. You're looking to do kind of like an edgier look, kind of a throwback hairstyle. Okay, and then the next hairstyle is just space buns. So these are the space buns. I love this. This is super cute, very trendy, and it's just an easy way to not have to do just the one bun on the top of your head. I think this really changes the look a little bit. Oops, I have a hair sticking out. And then you can have little hair pieces falling out and maybe curl them. I'm just gonna grab some gel, just gelling them together. I don't know if I would do this hairstyle without bangs, to be honest. This is just not something that I would normally do. So I like this hairstyle kind of only with bangs. I mean, I've seen some girls do really cute space buns without bangs. It's just personally on me, I like the bangs with this hairstyle. If you kind of just want your hair up and out of the way, this is a really cute way to style it. I'm going to do half up, half down. Honestly, I like to do this hairstyle with and without bangs. Like, this is just a go-to of mine. I love to do this with straight hair. I actually recently did this hairstyle with curly hair. If you guys haven't checked out my Selena DIY costume tutorial or video, that was actually my last upload. I did my hair very similar to this. So I did it like this, but I had it curled. So if you guys want to see the curled version of this hairstyle, then make sure to check that video out. I'll have it linked up here or in the description box. I love to just curl out the ends. And I feel like you need to do that, especially with bangs, because the bangs create such a curve on your hair that I feel like you need to even it out by curling the ends of your hair, because it just makes sense to me. I know I've done something already similar to this, but obviously you guys didn't see it with the bangs, and I just think this is just a whole nother vibe. And especially if people are coming to my channel specifically for bangs, they probably won't check that video out, so I do want to make sure I include it in this video. So if this is a little bit repetitive, I am so sorry, but this is definitely a hairstyle that I like wearing with my bangs. So the next hairstyle that I'm going to show you is all my hair up. Try to be quick with it. Just kind of smooth it out, and then I'm going to tie it. I'm just gonna clean it up with some hair gel. It's just a cute little ponytail. I think, you know, with the curled out ends, it looks really good. I know it's super simple. I even can put this little scrunchie in at the very top here. Beautiful hot pink scrunchie. That is a fave of mine. Very old school hairstyle. I'm just gonna go in and use these elastics. So I'm gonna say you need like 4 elastics. So I'm gonna add an elastic kind of a couple inches down. And then again, I'll probably use another one. So I'm gonna do like 5 hair ties. And And then basically you just kind of play with the hair and it just looks really cute. This hairstyle is definitely a vibe. I really like it. Super edgy. If you had really long hair with bangs, this hairstyle would look a lot more better just because you wouldn't have so many flyaways, I guess. It's different. This is honestly so easy. You just put your hair in a hair tie and then add those little elastics like every couple inches down. Yeah, overall, this is a really easy hairstyle to do. Very trendy. I got this cute little scarf from Shein. If you guys haven't checked out my Shein accessory haul, I show off a lot of really affordable pieces. So I will have that video linked up here or in the description box down below if you guys are interested in seeing that. And I purchased this scarf, which can also turn into a shirt, for $4. I'm just gonna quickly tie my hair in the back. So I'm just gonna fold this. It's super silky, so I have to just fold it on the side here. So you have to just make sure you are being very careful. Oh, I didn't tie my hair tight enough. I'm gonna tie it. So this is the hair piece. Let me just fix my bangs because my bangs are a little crazy. This is just the next hairstyle that I like to do. I think it's super cute, really easy, and yeah, you can even leave some of the long pieces out. It feels nice on the head. It's nice and relaxed. You just have to fold the scarf in like the triangle way just so that it's nice and long for you to tie in the back. You can have it kind of like coming in the front here. That's even a cute vibe, just to show you're actually wearing a scarf and not a headband. So yeah, overall, I think this hairstyle is super easy. So I'm just gonna show you another way of wearing that headpiece. So I'm going to actually just fold out the hair into that triangle and I'm gonna wear it as my headpiece. Now I've already kind of showed off this hairstyle in my Shein haul, but I mean, if some of you guys haven't seen it, you don't know about this. So this is another way of wearing it. I mean, I've already kind of showed off this hairstyle before, but this is just a cute and trendier way of wearing your bangs and a headscarf, or just a scarf, sorry. You can even put your hair in cute little braids. That would look really nice with this hairstyle as well. But I'll just leave my hair out. You guys kind of get the gist. Some of you guys have already seen me wear this, so I'm not gonna take too long on it. So yeah, this is just another cute way of wearing your hair. So now I'm just working off of all the accessories. Now I'm going to just grab the middle piece here and kind of twist it backwards. So I'm just doing these little mini twists. I'm not doing it for long, I'm just twisting for a second. And then I'm actually grabbing this little clip like that. And I'm just going to clip my hair. Now, I don't know where the rest of my little clips are because they went somewhere. I'm just gonna do this quick. And this would look a lot cuter with colorful ones because it's just a lot more. You can definitely see them a lot better. Yeah, I'm just using regular schmegular brown and a black clip. This is a really cute way of wearing your hair as well. It's kind of got like a headband effect, and honestly, if I had colorful ones, I would definitely put them in my hair. I do want to get some. This is just super cute and super trendy. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of that one. Okay, I did want to show you these really cute claw clips that I purchased from Amazon. They're just super cute, and I know they're super trendy right now. So I got a set, I think it was 7 or 8. They come in all different colors. Maybe I'll leave the link down below if you guys are interested in purchasing these clips. I'm just gonna part my hair on the side again. So I like to either do my hair half up, half down with the clip. So I've done that. It's super easy. Hopefully that looks okay. It's just super chill, really easy to do. And we don't really have to worry about your hair because it's just such a chill little hairdo. So yeah, I just like to clip it like that in the back. This is a really cute color. Or I will just clip my whole hair. I will start it near the bottom and I will just twist my hair. So I know some of you guys probably aren't a fan of this, but it's super like old school style. Like I said, I'm kind of into that. So something like this, hopefully you guys can see that properly. That's how I like to do it. It's just a cute little easy hairstyle. These claw clips are really easy to use and they're really good quality. Like they're nice and tight. So they will kind of hold your hair all together. Like I can move my head and don't have to worry about it. And then I think there's like another way you can wear it. My mom does this way. She does it kind of pointing downwards. Let me see if I could try it. So just clip your hair from the top. Yeah, I think you just have to kind of fold it backwards so that the hair up top is kind of like nice and thick up there, and then you just clip all that hair. I think that's how you do it. My mom knows how to do it really well because she always does this hairstyle. That's where I kind of got it from. Yeah, just a really cute way of wearing the clips. Okay, and then the last hairstyle, which is probably gonna be the hairstyle that I'm gonna do today, is my bun. Now I'm just going to grab all my hair. And for my buns, I like to use 2 hair elastics. So I will tie my hair first and then I will do it again. So tying my hair nice and snug. So I'm just gonna grab the comb before I put it in a bun and just make sure I smooth out all the areas here. Then I'm gonna grab the whole head, sorry, the whole hair. So I'm just going to kind of twist at the very beginning and then hold it down into a bun. And then that is pretty much how I do my buns, but I just tie it down. So something like that, you know, nothing too crazy. And then you see that little piece that's kind of rising up. I actually just take some gel and I will just mold my hair down if it's bothering me, and then add some gel wherever I need it. You know, my gel and my toothbrush. Really quick hairstyle to do. All right, you guys, that was the last hairstyle that I have for you guys today. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you do want to see any more videos from me, then make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you guys haven't followed me on Instagram, my Instagram is Kisha Alejandra. I'll have it right here for you guys to see. Also, if you haven't checked out my last hair tutorial, I did a quick and easy summer hairstyles tutorial for you guys. So if you guys want to see that, I will actually have it linked up here or down below if you guys are interested. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.